Hello, welcome to my second video. I hope I can express myself more fluently this time. Speaking of, I'm new at this speaking to the camera thing, but I guess I'll get used to it. I hope you're feeling really well because today we are doing some easy sewing. To be honest, I don't have much experience in sewing, except some hand sewing and one patchwork lesson I did last year. But this September I signed up in a sewing class, so I hope I'll get better. What I'm trying to say with this is don't take this as a tutorial, it's just me figuring out how to do things. I'll do something wrong, I can learn from it, you can learn from it, and let's just do it. So, for this project, I have all these old clothes, old pyjamas, shirts, some pillowcases. I intend to upcycle this into garlands. Soon it's gonna be my birthday, so I would like to use these garlands as decorations, but I also wanted it to be in neutral colors because I would like to reuse it for other occasions. Now I have to decide the size of the triangles, and then cut them all and I can start. So, this is the triangle I did. I'm thinking on making it double, so it has more strength. Let's try it. Hi, welcome back. I managed to do 7 triangles for color. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors, and my first idea was to sew this by hand, but I'm seeing now that it's gonna be too much, and I borrowed a sewing machine, so I'm excited to try that out. I don't know if I will be able to do it, but at least I'm gonna try. So I'll see you in another time of the week with the sewing machine. I'm gonna go to the beach because it's officially too hot now. Bye! Adeu! Hi again! It's been 2 days and now I'm all set with the sewing machine, and my goal today is to finish the garlands. The first thing I'm gonna do is to add this interlining so it has more strength. I'm gonna cut some triangles out of it and just iron them to the garlands, and then I'm gonna sew it all with the machine. Let's see if I'm capable of doing this. Now I'm gonna sew over here and over here. Let's go. Okay, that was kind of a nightmare, but after 2 or 3 hours I've got my triangles. Some of them are really good, but others are just a mess. For the strap, I got tired of the sewing machine because it's only the second time I've used it, and it was getting difficult because it was stopping and I was getting into messes. So for the strap, I'm thinking I'm gonna change into my pyjamas. I'm gonna go to the sofa and I'm gonna sew it by hand. It's gonna be less stressful this way. Hi! So I finished all the garlands. First I was gonna finish the straps by hand, but I wanted to practice a little bit more, so I finally finished it with the sewing machine, and it was a lot better. And I'm glad I could practice more. And also I was having a moment with the sewing machine, so I decided to do some small projects, and I did these 2 aroma sockets. I don't know how they are called, and they smell so nice. So here they are. Adeu!